Welcome, in front of me is Google Pixel 10, and in this video I will show you how to speed up and slow down videos on this phone. First, open the camera, go into recording mode, and now to record a slow motion video you have to select slow motion mode. You can also use time-lapse mode and record sped up videos. You can also just record a normal video. Let's record a regular video using our phone's camera. Now it looks like this. Let me play it for you. Okay, and right now, in order to speed it up or slow it down, you have to select edit, then go to speed option, and now you have to select which part of the video you want to speed up or slow down. For example, let's take the second part of the video and slow it down. Now in order to slow it down, you have to select either 1/4 of the normal video length or half of the video length, and you can also speed it up by selecting 2x and 4x speeds. For example, let's go with 1/4. Then let's play a full video and see what it looks like. As you can see, the second half is now slowed down. But if you for example switch it to 4x and play this video again, the second half of the video will actually be sped up. So let's actually go with 1/2 of the normal speed and see what it looks like. And now just click done and save copy in order to apply changes. Wait until the video is saved, and now you have one version of the video that has a slow motion feature on it, and one with normal length. And that's how you do it. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.